yeah, K is still shit. So, here we are, back to another video. In this video, I'm going to go paint something. I think I'm going to try and paint the same as what I did previously, but make the K better, because the K was a bit whack, wasn't it? It was all freestyled, mind you, so not the end of the world. It was just fun, meeting up with Quick. Yeah, cool to meet him. So yeah, just collecting my stuff together. It's all a bit impromptu, this painting session, because I was supposed to play football today and it's being cancelled because the pitch is frozen. So yeah, I was supposed to paint with Alta yesterday, so sorry to him. I didn't want to go out. I had a bit of cold recently, a bit of a cold, if I can talk. And yeah, it was freezing yesterday and it's freezing today. But I was supposed to play football this morning, so that's my excuse for going out now. I know exactly where I'm going to paint. Mulch already on the wall, so I literally just need to rock up with paint.
How about numbers? You men are my youngers.
So, definitely cold here in the shade. Yeah, so this was mulched up for cage, but he didn't turn out that time. Paint super flaky. This side of the wall didn't dry. It even flaked a tiny bit around the other side, but not as bad as this side. So yeah, going to be painting this bit. I want to know, does anyone know what this cap is? It's like a really light grey colour and then got a black insert, as you can see. Yeah, I want to know what they are because they're really good, and yeah, I want to buy some. So yeah, grey cap, light grey, black insert. What cap is this? It's like a medium cap, so kind of Cobra. Yeah, just really nice. I want to get some more. I haven't really researched into them, but if you know, drop it in the comments, tell me what cap that is. God, I've got to stand in the sun for a bit. It's freezing. It doesn't help holding freezing cold cans, as most people will know. But yeah, it's nice. It looks nice. This putting a mask on. Nasty fumes.
go. That is it for this video. So yeah, the K was a little bit, but looking back at a photo like I am right now, it's not that bad. There's definitely things to improve. I need to sketch. That's the big thing. But as I usually say, it was fun, and that's the main thing. I've learned some things. I think I need to compose myself more. I think I do need to be more positive generally. Mad really, because I haven't had the best day at work today. Lost some shit. Not going to go into details on here, obviously, but generally I took some positives from it. I built some good relationships, you know, built some trust with certain people, and that's going to hopefully, you know, help me out in the long run. So yeah. Anyway, back to the graph. Yeah, so definite positives to take. I do need to sketch. I need to find some time to sketch. So yeah, it's all good. I'm going to stop rambling on now because I'm just using this as a little thing to vent. I should probably write a script, shouldn't I? But anyway, I don't. I probably should put more effort in loads of different areas, but let's be positive. I had fun, and that is literally all it's about for me, really. That's the #1 goal. As I've said in videos many moons ago, yeah, just have fun, and that's what everyone should be doing with graph and stuff. I think when you have fun with stuff, you generally progress more with it, don't you? If you're negative, like I seem to be a lot of the time on my videos, yeah, I don't really progress so quickly, or maybe not as quickly as I could. There's definitely a lot to be learnt about being constructively critical of your own work, and I think that's what everyone does as artists and in other parts of life, such as work, whatever you do. So yeah, anyway, if you've got bored of me rambling, I've got bored of it too, so I'll stop here. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Drop a comment, tell me something, anything, whatever it is. No one really leaves me comments, but if you got this far in the video and you've listened to me this long, please leave a comment, whatever it is. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up as well, that'd be great, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.